Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to change it to the video mode, and we can do it by using this settings bar here and just simply slide to the left. And from here we have to move to the more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner here. And as you can see, from here we have to go to the left to this settings, and by tapping on this we get access to the camera settings, and at the first place now we have the video. And as you can see, we have the image stabilization button here, so by tapping on this we can turn it off and turn it on easily like that. This is how it works. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.